So we're with Kyle here at the Whirlpool booth, and we came across the Maytag commercial top load washer. So my mom always had Maytag top load washers. Kyle, why would I want this piece versus, let's say, another manufacturer's commercial quality piece?
Yeah, so that's a great question. So a couple things to start off. Maytag has had a commercial quality heritage for over 60 years. So we've been in the commercial laundry business for quite a long time. So with that, these are built much differently than any of the residential machines. So they don't share any of the same parts. These are built on their own commercial line. They're built more similar to the stuff that's built to go into the commercial laundromats, things of that nature, get beat up every day. So it's gonna last you a lot longer than any of your residential stuff, probably a lot closer to 15 or 20 years, which is why we have the 5-year warranty on it.
Yeah, and a lot of people will say, you know, my washer only lasted 5-6 years. I want to go back to a unit that has an agitator, and this unit's going to have a, what type of agitator is this?
So it's a mouthful, but it is a dual action ratcheting agitator. So it's more kind of an old school one. So you're gonna see that move back and forth a lot. It's got big corkscrew vanes on it. So you're gonna see really good rollover action on your clothes. So it's actually, there's a video on it too. So you'll see your clothes roll and cycle just like you used to with the older machines.
So the bottom of the agitator goes one way, the top goes the other. So you're gonna have that rollover effect, bringing the clothes to the top of the machine to the bottom where they're really gonna get clean.
Exactly.
So if I have a machine that doesn't have an agitator and I'm complaining about cleanability, this will eliminate that.
Bingo, yep. They'll definitely be happy with the wash action of this one.
Yeah, and I did see in the video that you guys were showing that this unit has a belt.
Yes.
Right, so a lot of the machines out there don't have belts. What's the advantage to a belt-driven system?
So with that, it's a little bit heavier duty. So that's what we put in all of our commercial machines as well. So it's got that 1/2 horsepower motor. It's connected to a belt, so you can get more torque on it that way, and it will last you a very long time.
So not that any of our customers ever overload their machine.
No.
But if by chance I were to overload the machine, that's going to withstand it a little bit better than a unit that doesn't.
Absolutely. And the nice thing about this machine is that it fills all the way up with water, and the customers can actually select their water level. So that is one feature that it's not exclusive, but it is something that those customers are looking for. They can choose on any of their cycles except for the sensor cycle and say, I want it low, medium, high, or fill that bad boy all the way up, because, you know, they don't overload it. But if they did, they could fill it all the way up with water and get all that water level.
And it looks commercial, so this will look cool in our basement or in a first floor laundry. It's just cool and industrial. It's like your commercial ranges that you guys make, the KitchenAids or the Gen Airs. This is the commercial Maytag.
Absolutely.
Great, thank you for showing us.
Yeah, of course.